Hello guys, it's been a lazy evening, and which I like. I have a nothing. Okay, let's move on from that weird. See, it's just getting weirder. Tomorrow my niece is coming to my house, which I'm super excited about, and she's gonna be here for a couple hours, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. I cannot wait to see her. And I wrote a to-do list for myself to go through my closet again and just get rid of more stuff that, I went through 6-ish months ago, thought I was gonna keep it, and then have I worn it? Do I care about it anymore? Because I placed an order on Shein, because I love that place. I'm honestly not even gonna call it an obsession. I notice that when I vlog, sometimes it's almost like I'm trying to justify, because I think that we live in a world where you have to explain yourself, and that's nobody's problem but my own. So I'm just not gonna really explain myself like that, and I try to justify why I do what I do. Yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to go through my clothes. I still love all of my scarves, but you know what? Let's get real about those too. I feel like some of these can go. And I want to go through this top rack. So that's what I'm going to do. So if you're interested, I'm going to set you up, and I'm going to see what I'm going to donate. I think that went pretty well. I was able to get rid of quite a few things that I have going on this rack. So this rack, I actually want to sell some things on Poshmark. Some of this I'm probably just gonna end up donating, realistically. But I have to tell you, a lot of this has been sitting here for a while now that I just don't know if I'm gonna deal with Poshmark or not, but that's the intention. I got rid of 2 scarves, which, you know what, is actually, it sounds pathetic, but it's pretty good, because I love my scarves and I pretty much wear them all the time. So, but those 2 I stopped wearing. I stopped wearing this blue one a long time ago, and this one's actually relatively new, but I've never worn it. I just have never found it complimentary to anything that I'm wearing during the winter time. So I got that figured out. The majority, the rest of what I have, so like on this side, these are like dresses and things like that. I could probably go through this as well, so let's do that. These skirts I bought on Forever 21, but I have never worn them. Like, I'll put them on because I'm thinking I'm gonna wear this to whatever event I'm doing, and then I've always ended up changing my mind and wearing something else because I think it just may not be my style. I think this one I'm gonna get rid of, but I really want to give this black one another go. It's just so pretty. So I'm gonna try to give that one. You know what? I'm gonna try to wear that sometime this week before the summer's out. At least wear it for a day and see, is this something I want to keep. This is another wrap skirt. It's really pretty too. It would be so pretty for fall, right? So it's a long skirt. But I've just never worn it. That dress could probably go, I feel like, sometimes I keep dresses because I don't go to events like cocktail-y or anything like that. So I hold on to these for that like one rare event so that I don't have to go buy anything. So this dress is nice. I'll kind of hang on to that, but honestly, like this is the dress I wore to my brother's wedding, and I keep special dresses like that. This one is so unique. I got it on Forever 21 a very long time ago. Look at this. It's getting ruined from being on the hanger. I wore it on New Year's Eve. It's so pretty. And I've never seen anything like it, but we're gonna put it in the Poshmark rack and just see. How about that? This is a cute little romper. Look how cute that is. Never worn it. This is just a simple, nice little black dress. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this little romper. I'm gonna keep that dress and give it another go. I wear this gray dress. I got it Old Navy a long time ago. I wear this black t-shirt dress. I love that dress. Yeah, see, like I keep some of these things for just those random events. This I got on Shein. I really loved it, but it's kind of cut really weird. But I'm gonna give it a go this winter. And if I don't wear it, I'm gonna get rid of it. This I got for a family photo in Florida, but never wore it. And it's a little bit see-through. I got it off of Amazon. It's such a cute little dress. But I'm gonna put it in the Poshmark rack. This dress I love. It's a maxi dress. It's beautiful. It's got mesh at the bottom. But the zipper was always wonky. Yeah, it's like always broken. But I love it so much. That I keep telling myself, go fix the zipper. I've been telling myself to fix the zipper for like 10 years now. This dress has a backstory. I love this dress. I was obsessed with it. I bought this like 10, 11 years ago and wore this to the Beatles' Love show in Vegas. And oh, I also wore this on a romantic date in Key West with my ex, which I loved too. Probably need to get rid of it, huh? This dress, I just love the ombre of it, but I've never worn it, so honestly, let's put this over here. This dress is from Shein and I've never found. It's really beautiful, but we're gonna put it over here as well. Oh, I'm doing really good. I did not think I was gonna do this side. I'm gonna keep those. Okay. Good morning. I'm gonna show you guys my OOTD. Dun, 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 dun. I really like it. It's really casual. It's fun. It's just nice for summer. And I love that the top is just long. Just makes me feel really comfortable. This is from Shein. I've been wearing this a lot this summer. I've grabbed for it, I think, way more than last year. And I'm wearing some high-waisted shorts, which I think these are from Forever 21. And then this is just like a white plain cotton t-shirt. It is just the kind that you buy in a pack from Walmart kind of thing. And I just tucked it in, as you can see. I'm gonna wear obviously my white little Keds that you guys know I love. They're not Keds because Keds are actually kind of expensive. They're like $50. Those white shoes I think I got from Old Navy. And I even got a navy pair, but I rarely wear those. Then decorated on my wrist today is my Sam Moons watch. And then I have my new Sam Moons bracelet to the moon and back. This is just kind of like me and my daughter's thing. I'm sure it's a lot of people's thing. But she's really celestial kind of and loves the moon and things like that. And then this little wrap bracelet, which is also from Sam Moons, I believe. And love Sam Moons. If you don't know what that is, it's It's like a really cheap jewelry store, basically. And then I have my doubles in today, which this double's fine, but this double always acts up. I don't know if maybe like where she pierced it, it was just not a good spot because it's always irritated to have an earring in there. Anyhow, that's it. Oh, and if you're wondering about my phone case, I got that at Big Lots. I think it was in a video somewhere in a haul. And that's it. My niece is coming over. Here is your daily dose of the Boo Bear. And yeah, so I woke up pretty late this morning because I didn't go to bed till like 3 o'clock in the morning. So I woke up at like 10. I think that was less than 8 hours of sleep. Haven't really made my bed, but that's okay. And I'm sure I'm gonna do that here in a second. And I'm just gonna kind of tidy the house up for my niece. I need to take my vitamins. Oh, that was rough. I take A, folic acid. I take D, A, E, K. I take B too, but I ran out of B12. I take folic acid, magnesium, and I also take other things like cayenne pepper. I take niacin, but I'm gonna do niacin later tonight. We're on a little walk. It is actually a hot day. Some of the nicer days in Dallas are over, but she misses her mommy and daddy, so we're making a nice little walk. She likes it. She's definitely an outdoor kind of girl. She has her little juice box. She's got her little pigtails. I've got my Gatorade. Got my jewelry. Got all my little kids. But I'm not wearing a hat, so I feel like I'm probably gonna get a little sunburn. I have to show you that she got her little feet crossed. How hilarious is that? She's just chilling. I think she might have fallen asleep.